Hey, how's it going? We're back with my 2018 Harley Road Glide, and today what we are going to do is debadge it. So I'm gonna take that Harley Davidson badge off and put a bar and shield on there. Alright, so first up, to get the badge off, we're just gonna take some fishing string in behind it. So there's that part, and as you can see, there's a lot of sticky stuff left that we're gonna have to go through and peel off with our fingers, because you don't want to use anything and scratch up your paint. And this is the part that takes forever. I do have a heat gun. I'll probably put some heat on it to try to help get some of that stickiness off, and then some Goo Gone, stuff like that. But it's just a lot of picking and moving. Alright, so after about half an hour, you can still see some on there that I gotta get off. So what I did was I found this little plastic tool to help get some of the gunk off. You don't want to scrape it too hard, because again, you don't want to scrape up your paint. So what I did was I would soak it in the Goo Gone and then just slowly slide this across there, making sure I wasn't scratching it. And then I started doing the other side at the same time. So what I'd do is I would soak one side in the Goo Gone, and I'd start working on the other side. And then once you get all the big pieces off with this, I just took a little terry cloth wash rag. Like I said, I'd rub it on there and just rub and rub and rub until it was gone. That way I didn't scratch up the paint. I'm gonna work on it a little bit more, because you could kind of tell. Yeah, you can kind of tell there's still some goo there. So I'm gonna work it a little bit more, take it outside, wash it up, soap and water, get all this goo going off, and then I'm gonna hit the tank with some alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and get it ready for the decal. But you gotta make sure all that goo going. And I also use this stuff. I had a little cotton swab of Unisol. And once it got down to like the real light glue, and it was taking forever with the Goo Gone, I hit it with this, and this stuff took it right off. I don't know how damaging that is on the paint. It didn't look that bad. I mean, wiped it on, wiped it off real quick. But if you're gonna debadge your bike, it might be worth a shot to try that out. So it's a couple of days later. The badge is off. The plan is I'm going to stick this bar and shield on there. Now I already cleaned the area with rubbing alcohol. That way it's nice and clean. There's no goop on it or anything else. Trying to make sure there's no dust particles on there. I'll probably take a little sticker or something and go over it real fast just to get all that off. And there you have the other side. All done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.